And howdy, folks. This is your old pal, Uncloud. Today is December the 11th. I did two shorts. One of them was, let's see, is this one right here. Yeah, Backwoodsman sold out. It is off the grid. You can buy it at your local grocery store. This came in. And let's see. Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. That's Prepping with Sarge. I thought his name was Matt, but it's actually Tom. Hey, I got brain damage. Okay, go check out his channel. It's on sale right now. I always pick up a couple of magazines. It's fun. I sit down and read. I'm going to do a lot of reading after surgery. And we have this one. A lot of people think they could solve all their problems with this kind of stuff. Okay? I've been talking about, whatchamacallit. If you have a cell phone, a lot of people use cell phones or smartphones. I told them, do you got a battery bank? And we went shopping with one of my students. I told him, don't get one with a flashlight. Don't get one with a crank. Especially that one is too cheap and it might explode. We got him a good, about $200 range, rechargeable, smartphone external battery. And it has a little solar panel. I told him, remember the mathematical equation, 15% to 45%. So he hasn't figured that one out and took him. If you drain the battery or quarter drain the battery down to 25% of the rechargeable exterior battery, it's going to take you 3 days in the sun. If you have a crank on it, it'll take another 4 or 5 days of you going that for 12 hours. So he finally figured out 15 to 45% equation. I get tired. All right, I'm a very good teacher when I have to teach people, but do they listen? I told them, if you have a flashlight on your external battery, your extra battery, it's an oxymoron because you're draining the battery, even if it's not on. So we had to go look around, and I had to find one that has a sturdy case on it. Because if you drop one of those things, they don't work. Okay. Next big question everybody's been asking me today. Let's see. Nope, that's not it. Where did I put that down note? No, Syria already filled. North Korea. Go look at the post. North Korea isn't at peace, or South Korea. And that's the next one. Might have a coup. Okay, it's a bird, it's a plane, it's a UAP, unidentified aerial phenomena. We don't call them UFOs because it's the first week of the month. I keep telling this to people and they kind of look at me kind of stupid. And I said, first week of the month is training day. They still don't look. It's like, okay, Uncle On's taking his cane. I got a hernia. I'm going to walk 2.5 miles and get away from you for about 40 minutes before I come back. Because I'm going to be beating people over the head. Okay, first week of the month is training day for Marines, National Guard, Army, and Navy. All right? Been through the first 3 generations of drones. Which size of a boxcar, Uncle Al? And I kind of look at them. Yeah, 10 years ago. But this one's size of a car. Yeah, so what? Aren't you excited? It's that big. It's a drone. Yes and no. Okay, I know what generation it is. It's the 4th generation. Yes, it used little rotors on sides. And no, it's not battery powered, you dip. Okay, because they can't lift something that big with batteries. It's a jet engine. because I have hypersensitivity in this ear and gives me a headache. This ear I'm deaf, so I can't hear it. This one is, oh. A lot of people, how do they keep those things up? Jet engine, JP4 fuel. Oh. Okay. Been through the first 3 drones. Okay. They always train in the first week of the month. All right. Don't chase my cars with cows with the stupid drones. Don't hit my barn with a stupid drone. I had a first generation one, the plane type. Yeah. And I'm not talking which outfit ran into it. Okay? They train these people. They have one in Nevada where they train for the Air Force and the Navy and the Army. Why? Because they keep hitting sides of buildings and stuff. They have several other bases, California, Missouri, New Jersey, Florida, and you see 1 or 2 in the central states, that's, whatchamacallit, that's fine control. A lot of people say, but how do you know all this? Because I have friends who are contractors, who works on this stuff. Okay? Fine comes out of the factory. Horrible when they do penetration tests, aka red cells. Go check out Sarge's video. They're not aliens. They're idiots trying to learn how to drive from the armed forces. So don't chase my cows. Don't run into my barn. Don't hit the, we have little machines that keep trees from freezing. Don't hit one of those. I tell you, it's like, people freak out. It's not, they're like, it's aliens, it's aliens. No. Uncle's getting tired. Okay? I have alien friends. Both illegal, outer space, transdimensional, you name it. And they say, most people are like Dad on YouTube. They're all freaking out. It's aliens, it's bug people. I'm going to be anally probed. Well, you should have. It's good for you. Cleans out the brains. I'm just tired and grouchy. I got 3 other videos I got to do today. I'm trying to. But it tires me out. Okay? Because, boy, I just went to the doctor, not pharmacist, and doctors gave me about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 bottles of medication before I go to surgery. Not happy. All right? And I still got to do send out my Christmas cards. All right? You should be prepared. Right now, we have a few things. Like I told people, we have, let's see, Mount Lau in the Philippines exploding. That should, everybody should be nervous as hell. We have earthquakes off of Alaska and Canada and California, Washington and Oregon. Should be all worried about that one. And we have possible wildfire in Southern California and Mexico. Okay, I'm getting tired. Next year is Reality Shock. God bless, good luck, and you're on your own. Bye now.